Okay, so now we're going to learn about two types of ambiguity. Uh, the first type is called lexical ambiguity. So let's keep pushing on here. Lexical ambiguity. And simply that's ambiguity due to a word having multiple meanings. Okay, lexical ambiguity. Ambiguity due to a word having multiple meanings. Um, the word lexical, when you see like the lex, uh, that's kind of, like the root is about like words. So if you ever heard of the word like lexicon, a lexicon is really just a dictionary. So again, all about words. Okay, so ambiguity due to a word having multiple meanings, meaning it has multiple extensions. Okay, so here's a really simple example of that. Um, take a sentence like, I'll just use my dog, like, I went to the bank today. Okay, this is the most straightforward type of ambiguity. People use the word bank all the time for their example of lexical ambiguity. Um, so I could mean that I went to like the riverbank. Let's say I went to the James River, which is a nice place to go to, I think. Or it can mean I went to like the financial institution. I went to I'm Capital One, let's say, if or Wells Fargo, or just one of those banks. So that's I went to the bank, and this sentence is going to have multiple meanings due to this one word having multiple meanings. Okay, so lexical ambiguity is actually the most straightforward type of ambiguity. It's a little easier to understand than the next type of ambiguity, which we will learn. Um, I like the example of lexical ambiguity they use in the book on page 31. And by the way, I think these sections in the book are pretty good. Like I think the authors explain themselves pretty clearly. So part of educating yourself, just read, learn. Okay, so they use this example. Someone says, uh, let's see, visitor to the zoo was attacked by the penguins. Okay, a visitor to the zoo was attacked by the penguins. Okay, now how is that ambiguous? Well, think about it. Okay, so you guys already did the reading, so you should know. It's the word by, right? If I say the visitor to the zoo was attacked by the penguins, I might be saying, like the penguins actually attacked the visitor to the zoo. There's that. Or I might say a visitor to the zoo was attacked beside where the penguins were. Okay, and so because of the word by, we got the lexical ambiguity. Okay, pretty straightforward. Let's move on to the next type of ambiguity.